Hi YouTube, I got this nostalgia electric carne machine, and you can put a lot of sugar in it and candy and all that stuff. But I'm not going to talk a lot, so I'm doing an unboxing. It has the instruction manual, but I don't care about that. And then here's like the upper top, and here's like the bar bowl. So, and it takes so much. I got it today, but I ordered it 2 days ago, so pretty good. So here's it. You see the, it's just some styrofoam. And here's like the little plastic cone. And I got some from Amazon though. And here's a little sprinkler, I don't know what to call it. Here's the cotton candy machine. See all that stuff. Okay, so take this out. One candy cones. Okay, so it's pretty easy. I'll take this out and then, like this little notch. You said this. It's pretty it's okay. You could hear that it. Make sure it spins. And then here's the bar bowl. This. You should hear that. Then bubble wrap. Pop. Here's a little clear bowl. You just attach it. You shouldn't hear anything, so I'm not sure. Yeah. So here it is. Never put any chewy stuff in this. Okay? Bye. This is why Mr. Funny did it.